So the best way to pick this stitch up, I like to use my sewing needle. And all you simply do is thread that through the stitch, then underneath the first rung of your ladder that you've dropped, and then you want to lift the stitch up and over and pull the ladder through. So I'm going to do that again because we've got a couple more ladders. So you want to go under the ladder, so you've got both the stitch and the ladder on your needle, and then you're lifting the stitch up over and pulling the ladder through. So do that once more. Sorry, I'm trying to do it so you can see what I'm doing, but it makes it a little tricky. So there you go, you're pulling that loop through. And then once you've got caught back up to the top, you simply want to slide it back onto your knitting needle. So if you do have a stitch that's come off and you're not sure which way to slide it back on, you always want, so you've got a left leg and a right leg, you always want the right leg in front of your needle. So it's not this way, that puts the left leg in front, it's this way, so that your right leg is in front and your left leg is behind.